So for this deal, you got the Olay body wash and you have the Old Spice body wash. They're currently 2 for $12. I have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon for the Olay, and then I also have a 4 off of 2 Old Spice. There is also 8 off of 4, but to do this deal, you guys just need to do the 2. So basically, you could do either deal. You would pay $8 for both of them, but actually there is a deal for the Old Spice. I'll figure out what one it is when they take it out. I think it's for the Ultra Smooth. You guys would end up getting a $1.25 rebate times 2 with Ibotta. So with the Olay, it would be $4, $2 a piece. With the Old Spice, it would be $1.50 or just 75 cents a piece. I actually have a $3 off coupon, so I might do this deal again. I'm going to see what we can get for digitals. Okay, so you guys, we have this Crest deal. They are currently $2.99 on sale. You guys want to use a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would pay $1.98. You get a $2 register reward, making them absolutely free. There is also a deal where if you buy 2 of them at $2.99, you can get 4,000 points. I can't get one to come up, but if I can get it to come up, I will definitely do a deal and show you guys that. They have Palmolive dish soap on sale for $1.99. There's currently a 50-cent off digital coupon. You guys can use that and get this for $1.49. Pringles are on sale 4 for $5. There's currently a $1 off of 4 digital coupon that you guys can use, making them just 4 for $4, $1 a piece. Here's a deal for you guys. The plates are $3.49. They're buy one get one free, so you guys would basically get them for like $1.75 a piece if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal. Garbage bags are currently buy one get one free. This is a better deal. They come to be $12.99. Buy one get one free comes out to be $6.49. Otherwise, this is $1 more and you get 150. So if you guys want to do that, the regular trash bags for outside are $8.49. It comes out to be $4.25 if you guys want to go ahead and do that. The same thing with that. And then they also have the little ones, buy one get one free, but I would wait for these to get $2.79 and buy one get two free.